Australia needs effective adaptation responses for climate change impacts, to reduce damage and to take advantage of opportunities for our towns, cities and urban and strategic infrastructure, both inland and on the coast. National climate change adaptation research plans have been developed to guide research in Australia and inform effective adaptation to climate change. The Settlements and Infrastructure Plan is one of 9 that cover all aspects of Australian life. The priority questions in this plan are around 5 topics: urban and regional planning and management, the built environment, vulnerable coastal communities, infrastructure, and issues that cut across sectors and impacts. Within these priorities, there are a number of key questions. How can we adapt existing urban planning principles and practices to address the uncertainty of climate impacts? How can we develop nationally consistent and locally driven urban planning and governance to be adaptable to climate change? What design, principles and options will prepare new and existing buildings for climate impacts? What are the life cycle costs and benefits of adapting the built environment, and who carries the losses and gains? How do we understand and balance population pressures and climate impacts on the coast? How can we improve risk calculations for regional inundation and coastal erosion from climate and ocean processes? How vulnerable is infrastructure to climate conditions and extreme weather over time? How can we identify and manage downstream impacts on infrastructure from extreme climate events? What makes some sectors in society more vulnerable to climate change in urban, regional and remote settlements? What would a climate-adapted Australian settlement look like? Knowledge generated by this research will help Australia adapt effectively to climate change. These are just some of the priority questions identified in the plan. Visit the NCCARF website for more comprehensive information.